Well, if you're a fan of cinnamon and sugar goodness, then you are in for a treat, because today we are going to turn the classic Snickerdoodle cookie into a warm, bubbly, gooey cobbler that is beyond comforting. And it is super easy. So stay with me so I can show you just how to make it. So to a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 cups of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. All right, I'm going to give this a mix. I have 3/4 cup of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm just going to pour my milk into my flour mixture. And I'm going to switch to a wooden spoon. And yes, as you can see, you will have a very thick dough. The next thing you'll need to do is take a 9 by 13 baking dish, and what I have here is 1/3 cup of melted butter, and I'm just going to pour this into the bottom of my baking dish. All right, so I'm just making sure that the bottom of my baking dish is coated, and then I'm going to place this dough right on top of the butter, but we don't want to mix it into the butter. I'm just going to carefully spread it over top. So next, what I have here is 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'm just going to sprinkle this all over top. All right, so then I'm going to take 1.5 cups of boiling water and carefully pour right over top. Okay, then bake in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I have here 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give that a mix. And then 5 minutes before your cobbler is done, just sprinkle that cinnamon and sugar right over top, and then put it back in the oven. Listen, this is going to be your new favorite. It is so delicious. Snickerdoodle Cobbler for the win. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. God bless, and I'll see you next time.